Hey guys, Dev here from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Today it's not a big deal to cut hair in Photoshop 2022. There are many ways you can do it and get the same result, like new one, object selection tool, or classic way quick selection tool. I'm using here object selection tool. Photoshop AI process will automatically select the subject if you move your mouse cursor on the subject. Click on it. Go to top, select and mask. Let's check it on 50% black background. Now here on this image, Photoshop AI process did pretty good selection, but if you miss anything, go to left sidebar and use those options like refine, use lasso to bring back the selection if you missed. Now go to right side bottom, use this option decontaminate colors. This is Photoshop AI process to remove any fringing from hair part. Use amount percentage according to your need, like 20% or 50% or even 100% depending on your image. Now put any color as background and feel free, check it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on a next video soon.